Flashes through the offside, too much width. Again, the flashing gate, that's gone all the way.
And that smashed straight down the ground for a boundary. And he goes over the top. And very clean, one bounce. And Anwar goes here over the top. Again, lovely piece of timing, one bounce.
Charging and hitting over the top. Yes, he's got it over mid-on. And a 50 for Saeed Anwar from just 40. Coming again and going over the top. He's trying to hit it over the deep fielder into the stand, and he does so.
Well, that was just stroked. He didn't even try and hit it too hard.
Even what time? I'm sure Pakistan will be looking for a big.
That should be it. It's 1200 in one-day international cricket.
And Singh continues in the air and over mid-off. A couple of bounces into the boundary. And again gives it the full flow of the bat. That'll just about do it. That'll take him to 120. Well, maybe it's the moon coming up. I think the players will be happy the sun's going down, and there's 4 more.
This time he puts it over mid-wicket. That's where he was looking to find the gap, and he's done so for 4. Going again and really trying to hit this one for 6, and it has gone. Going again, this looks as though it's gone. Yes, it's gone. The field. Got to get it in the block hole. He didn't. It was a big full toss, and he's missed.
Oh, that's brilliant batting. Again, picking a spot
Of the field there.
And that's very nicely played on the onside to become the highest scorer in one-day cricket. He knows it.
Kids.